Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This two microwave customer has sent to my house from shop. They said both of no hot, but this sharp no power. I have checked. See, there is no power. So, dear viewers, I have removed the back cover. Then I'll check at first the fuse. There is one fuse. So, dear viewers, when I checked at first the fuse has gone. Yeah, there is one fuse. This fuse has gone. Then second step, you can check this thermostat. Yeah, thermostat. Sometimes this thermostat also spoil. But now I found this fuse has gone, so I'll change the fuse. Then let's see how is it. So after you change the fuse, also if it's not okay, you check this. Then third step is you can check this the PCB in voltage. Can you see it? This PCB in voltage. If there is PCB in voltage, there is 240 volt AC in present, but then so it's not turning on. So that means this PCB board has a problem. So right now I have found the this fuse has gone. So before I change the fuse, let's see is there any short circuit. So for short circuit, you have to check this magnetron, this connector, and CUC body. So there is no short circuit. See the capacitor. Yeah, this capacitor has gone. Face the continuity. See. So dear viewers, this fault is this capacitor, the high voltage capacitor. So I have to change this capacitor. Then see how is it. So dear viewers, I have removed this capacitor, this 1.0 microfarad, and I have same value 1.0 microfarad. So see this capacitor, from this both of connector no short, from here to body short. Yeah, so this short circuit. See if it is okay. See both of connector no short, from connector to the body no short. So that means this capacity is good. So I'll fix there, then we will be back. Dear viewers, I have changed the capacitor. So let's see finally how is it. So there is power. Then I'll start it. Then I'll put water. So see how is it. Yeah, dear viewers, alhamdulillah, water is hot. So alhamdulillah. So it was main problem was the capacitor only. Then for this reason capacitor has fuse has gone. So